y'all, welcome to Olinsi Traveling. On this channel, I'll be bringing you the real side of life on the road, truck stops, rest areas, and everything in between. I'll take you along to explore small towns, across the US and Canada, exactly as they are. If you like discovering real places on the road, go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss the next stop. Let's begin our walk. This is the Frontier Travel Center in Bowman, North Dakota. On the surface, it looks like a convenience stop, but here's the honest take. Parking is decent, but during peak travel hours, it can get tight for big rigs. If you arrive late in the evening, expect to circle or squeeze into smaller spots. The store has the basics, snacks, coffee, and fuel, but don't expect a large food court or high-end amenities. The showers and restrooms are functional, but availability depends on how many drivers are stopping at the same time. Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're enjoying this stroll, don't forget to hit like so I know you want more tours like this. It's a simple stop for the essentials. If you're looking for peace and quiet, this isn't the place. You're right on the highway with trucks coming and going all day and night. Frontier Travel Center does the job for quick stops, fuel, and bathroom breaks. But if you're planning a longer rest, it's better to check availability, or keep driving to the next stop. Thanks for joining me here on Olinsi Traveling. Every stop has its own story. Whether it's a truck stop, a rest area, or a small town street, I bring you along to see it all, just as it is. If you enjoyed this walk, make sure to subscribe and come along for the next journey. More towns, more roads, and more real travel experiences are just around the corner. Until then, see you at the next stop.